Hi, welcome to the Amoretti kitchen. I'm going to make some pistachio ice cream today, and I'm going to use the Amoretti Pistachio Butter Artisan. So let's get started. All right, so just as with any ice cream, we're going to mix the cream and the milk and the sugar. Once that gets close to boiling, temper in the eggs. So once it's cooled, then I will add the Artisan, and we'll chill it overnight and we'll spin it. So this is very close to boiling. I've turned off the heat, and I'm just going to temper this milk into the eggs. Just putting a little bit in at a time until the eggs come up to temperature. And we'll put this back into the hot cream milk mixture. Get all of that protein out of the bowl. Now this is going to heat again, low, to 82 degrees. Centigrade or 178 Fahrenheit. So once this comes up to temperature, I'm going to chill it, bring the temperature down a little bit before I add the Artisan. I don't want to put it in when it's super hot. Then we'll strain it. Keep your heat kind of low when you're cooking these custards because you don't want anything to burn on the bottom. Okay, so now it's at 82 centigrade. I'm going to turn this off and I'll strain it. And I'm going to chill it before I add the Artisan. Just want to bring the temperature down a little bit. It's pretty hot. Okay, now I'm going to add the Artisan. All right, so we'll put this in, our flavoring, just beautiful Artisan, pistachio butter Artisan, just wonderful flavor. So now that this is all mixed in, I am going to chill it overnight, and then we'll put it into the ice cream machine and we'll spin it. All right, so this has been sitting overnight, chilled. We're gonna pour it into here. I think I'll take this off first. Beautiful color. All right, so we're just gonna turn this on, let it churn, and then we'll have some ice cream. Right, we've got our ice cream ready. I'm going to dip this in some water, help us scoop this out. Nice scoop. And then I'm going to put some chocolate crumbs on the bottom of this glass. I think it just kind of makes a nice little contrast, and I've baked the crumbs that were left over from a chocolate cake, and I cut off the top. And it's always good for a little garnish. All right, so this goes like this. And a couple of scoops. You really need to let your mix sit overnight before you put it in the machine so that the flavors and all the fats come together. You get the right texture for your ice cream. All right, so let's put some raspberries in here. And I've made some chocolate garnish, a couple of little leaves, feathers. All right. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to our channel and our newsletter. We want to keep you updated on our discounts, our promos, and of course our giveaways. See you next time.